On behalf of the Jungle Navigation Company, welcome to the world famous Jungle River Cruise. My name is Vicky, and I'm your skipper today. Hi!
Hi.
Thank you. So, before we start, kind of remind, please remain seated and take care of our children. And keep your whole body, including hands, arms, and legs, in the boat area, okay? Okay?
Okay.
Thank you. So let's start our journey. Woo! First, look at our left hand side.
Oh.
Just kidding, it's nothing here. Look at our right hand side. It's Tyson Treehouse. Tyson Treehouse.
Oh, Tarzan
Wonderful
Treehouse.
place, which I love it. But Tyson go travel with Jenny, so nobody at home right now. We can't go there. But don't worry. Maybe a few months later, when they come back, then we can go. All right. Oh, and also in our journey, you will see a lot of animals, but some of them a bit naughty, huh? Especially for this baby elephant, Explorers, if you don't want to get wet, let's say no, no, no. Come on, say it now. No, please no. Oh, thank you. Oh, and also Black Elephant Explorers, it's your turn.
No.
Oh, lucky. Oh, Black Elephant, is it you? Oh, yo.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, he's still sleeping. Yeah. So don't disturb him, okay? Let him sleep, okay? Bye. And then we oops. Oh, where are we? Oh, no, I think we are lost. And then, big spider! Oh, no, Tara! No way, I'm pretty scared of it. Oh, everybody, please keep quiet and don't move.
Oh,
It's
cobra.
Cobra.
Oh my god, cobra. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's cobra.
Don't let them find you. Otherwise, Okay, we are safe. We are free to go now. Yeah, no worry, I will protect you, huh? Wow, look, it's crocodile. Everybody, let me tell you something. Crocodile love thing.
Oh.
One is your phone, another is your kid. So remain seated and protect yourself. Hey, and look, that is the cave of the scientist. Let me introduce to you my friend, Dr. Shag. Wait.
Oh,
Whoa.
King Kong.
What's wrong? Oh, turned out to be the gorilla. And the gorilla is holding the gun. Be careful. Be careful. Back down, everybody. Back down. Whoa, not yet. Ay-ya. Okay. Oh, you see? A lot of amazing animals. What kind of animal you see? Please tell me. Zebra, elephant, and? Exactly. Wow, sir, you know a lot. Woohoo! Alright, so let me ask you another question. Do you know what's the difference between male zebra and female zebra? No?
No.
Let me tell you. The male zebra is the black with the white stripe. But the female one is the white with the black stripe. Oh, it's easy, right? Yeah. Next time you can tell your friend. Maybe they don't know. But don't tell them. It's a skipper thinking tells you. Alright. Oh, and who next? It's hippo.
Oh, hippo.
Very smelly.
Oh, see, hippo.
Hey, look, the scientist is here, but wait, the last one is my college. The last one. Oh my. Anybody can help? I think he's in trouble now. No? Oh, sorry. My explorer saying no to you. So, if anything happens, please find her, the little girl. So, turn around and say goodbye to him. Bye-bye. Uh-oh, sorry. here. Oh. Be careful with the backside. Guys, are you alright? Yes. Friends at the backside, are you okay? Thank you. Lucky, nobody get hurt. You know what? If somebody get hurt, I will lose my job. So please protect yourself and save my career. Thank you. Okay, let's go. Whoa! Oh, be careful! Oh no, explorers. I think we are in the wrong way again. Oh no! And we have no way to go. What should we do? Fire! No! Finally, explorers, we'll survive! Yay! Whoa, so tough. Oh, hey, hello, baby elephant. It's you again. Alright, so guys, welcome back. So before we go, everybody remain seated, huh? And also, please put your hands and elbow inside the boat area. Elbow inside, hand inside, please. Thank you. Alright. Perfect. Okay, let's go. So guys, later, please use the middle and the back door to exit. But don't climb over my glass windows. You see, this is my glass windows. If you climb over it, if you broke it, that which means you will broke my heart. So don't break it, thank you. Okay, so if you like this journey, you can remember my name is Vicky. But if you don't, never mind. Just forgive me, okay? And get off my boat right now. My boat is done now, thank you.